Rather excited. Look where I've been. Subway. Yeah, I've been out. I had to drop my prescription off at the doctor's, so I happened to pass Subway and I thought, do you know what, I'm going to try this new faux chicken veganised menu with the new sub. It's supposed to be like, can't get into it. There we go. It's rather exciting. Oh, I've lost sweet corn already. Yeah. So this is their roast chicken style baguette thing, Subway sub. I'm ruining my, look at this. It's massive. Huge. Yeah, I've got in there some of the chicken and I've got my vegan cheese. She asked me actually, did I want ordinary cheese or vegan cheese? And I thought, well, it's pretty self-explanatory. Do you know what I mean? Vegan option. So you're going to want vegan cheese, but I suppose they have to ask. And yeah, so I've gone for the vegan cheese, had it toasted. So it sort of looks like mayonnaise, but it's not. It's vegan cheese. And I've had the garlic aioli. I don't know how you pronounce it. I never get it right. I've got most of the salad in there. I want my money's worth on a brown sub. So let's see, shall we? Pretty good. I've got to say that their plant menu is really good. They've got about 4 different options now. That's really nice. I mean, that's the chicken there. That's really good. And I made sure that the girl had new gloves on before she started touching my stuff. And then I ordered my son one of his subs as well. That's so nice. Huge thumbs up on that one. And I've also got, so I didn't get my son a cookie because there was none of his left. I got a vegan cookie. I should really have this after I've had my Subway. But you know what it's like. Needs must. Taste testing purposes, I'm doing it now. Let's have a look. So this is the vegan double chocolate one. There you go. That's nice. Very nice. Well done, Subway. Really good. Put that back in there while I have the rest of my sub. As I said, I'll put that back in there while I have the rest of my sub. That is fantastic. But yeah, I highly recommend this one. This is the chicken alternative sub from Subway. Very, very nice. Oh, my VFC item, my box is coming tomorrow. I can't wait for that. So I'm going to do a bit of an unboxing video when it arrives. So I thought I'd let you know on that one. Right, I'm going to love and leave. because I'm going to get right eating the rest of this without making a mess. So I'll say bye for now. Try.